grilled chicken, Alabama white sauce, and a dunk that changes everything. Let's get into it. Everyone smokes their chicken for Alabama white sauce. I'm showing you why grilled chicken is actually better. Crispier skin, faster cook, better flavor. It's a no-brainer. Now today I've got some chicken thighs on the board here that I just trimmed up lightly. I just wanted to get rid of some of the loose skin that was hanging on the chicken just to kind of give it a more uniform look, and then we're ready to get it seasoned up. Now today we are using the Big Rum's competition Sazon. Great seasoning, great color on it, great flavor, and that's why I use it. And because I'm in Central Texas, you know I got to come with that 16 mesh coarse ground black pepper. Now that's what we got put onto our chicken, and now it's ready to go on the grill. Now today I'm going to be using the Oklahoma Joe's Firecraft. We've got it fired up with some harder charcoal, lump charcoal, and of course we got to use that Central Texas post oak wood. Okay, we are now at the grill. We've got our grill lit up and we've manipulated our fire so that we can kind of have the temperatures that we're looking for here at our cooking level. And now it's time for us to get our chicken on. So we're gonna get these chicken thighs on. I've got them going on with the skin side up, and they're up kind of high right now so that we can absorb as much smoke flavor as possible. All right, so we now have our chicken on our grill here over our live fire. And again, we're trying to make sure we got that 6 to 8 second rule here. That's where I want to be able to hold my hand where the cooking level is here in relation to the fire so that we can get a good medium heat on this chicken. So we're just going to maintain our fire here, maintain the temperatures, and we're going to let this chicken cook through. I'm going to bring you guys back when it's time to flip the chicken, all right? All right, so we've been going here for about 30 minutes. We're going to take a look here. And as you can see, we're starting to develop a really good color here on the bottom side of these chicken thighs. So we're going to get them flipped over here and cook the skin and get the skin nice and crispy for us. All right, so I'm going to get these all flipped over and bring you guys back here in a little while. Now the Alabama white sauce is pretty easy to put together. The recipe is going to be listed down in the description box, but basically you're going to combine all of your ingredients into a bowl and we're going to whisk it together. All right, so we are back here at the grill and taking a look at our chicken. And as you can see, we've got a great color on the chicken thighs here. Hopefully you can see that. So they're looking fantastic. So I'm gonna start getting these chicken thighs off of the grill here and give them a chance to rest. And I'm gonna meet you guys back at the block where we'll check it out with this Alabama white sauce. All right, gang, we are back at the block here. Now we've given our chicken a little time to rest, and now it's time to check it out with this Alabama white sauce. So let's get into it. All right, now here we've got our Alabama white sauce. And so if you're not familiar with the Alabama white sauce that we put together, basically it's a mayonnaise-based barbecue sauce that was credited to Robert Lee Gibson, Big Bob Gibson, back in 1925 in Decatur, Alabama. Now it's a fantastic, different barbecue sauce that goes really well with chicken. And that's why we've got our chicken here to go with our Alabama white sauce, all right? So here we've got our chicken. Here's a good little look at our chicken thigh here. And basically we're gonna dunk this into our Alabama white sauce. All right, here we go. All right, just like that, we've got our Alabama white sauce on our chicken thigh. Now you could absolutely dunk your chicken thigh into your sauce and then go back on the grill, but I want to do it just like this. So we've got our chicken thigh here just like this. So hey, let's take a bite. All right, cheers. Oh man. Now gang, I gotta tell you, this is a fantastic team right here with the chicken and this Alabama white sauce. The tanginess and the sweet heat from that Alabama white sauce works really well with the chicken. And so I'm telling you, absolutely got to give this one a shot. I know it sounds weird, mayonnaise and barbecue sauce, but trust me, this absolutely works. So try it out. I'm not going to keep talking. Guys, if you want to see more content just like this, make sure you give that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you share it out. Comment down below as well. And don't forget that Alabama white sauce recipe is down below in the description box. I'm going to see you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.